Now, to solve this equation, what we can do is to focus our attention in the bracket. All right, and then inside this bracket we can break it down to say that this is the square root of 24 can be written as 6 times 4. Then the denominator 30 can be written as 6 times 5, plus the square root of 6 can just be left like that, so we can find a way to eliminate the square root of 6. So when we do that, inside the bracket we can bring out the square root of 6, and then we are left with the square root of 4. Okay, and then at the denominator we can bring out the square root of 6, and then at the bottom we're going to be left with the square root of 5, okay, plus 1. Okay, and then everything to the power of 24. The square root of 6 cancels out the square root of 6, and this expression becomes the square root of 4 is 2 over the square root of 5 plus 1, everything to the power of 24. Alright, now to break this down even further, let us multiply by the conjugate. Since we have a square root of 5 plus 1 at the bottom, let's multiply the top inside the bracket by the conjugate. So we multiply by the square root of 5 minus 1 over the square root of 5 plus 1 bracket the square root of 5 minus 1. This is how you simplify this kind of equation or expression. Okay, so when we open the bracket the right way, we get at the top we get 2 bracket the square root of 5 minus 1. Okay, but at the bottom when we open this bracket, you're going to get the square root of 5 squared by the difference of 2 squared minus 1 squared, everything to the power of 24. Okay, and when you break this even further, you get 2 bracket the square root of 5 minus 1, and when you open the bracket here, you get 5 minus 1, everything to the power of 24. Alright, and then we can simplify this even further to say this becomes 2 over 4, right? We have the square root of 5 minus 1, and then everything to the power of 24. And when we simplify this, you get the square root of 5 minus 1 over 2, everything to the power of 24. So this is the simplified version, and we're going to leave our answer at this. Okay, I hope you got the gist. I'll see you in the next one.